Miles M14 Magister kit from Igra Air, a Cold War behind the Iron Curtain product, I believe. And here's the model, and it is extremely sturdy. The construction does not stint on lumber, and they did not go with the cheap light balsa, they went with the good sturdy balsa. But if any of that caused offense to the employees or owners of Igra Air, I wish to apologize humbly, because this model flies beautifully with no ballast, no adjustments whatsoever. This is off the board. It was really something. A very nice model indeed.